In this episode of Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen, we're making one of the most beloved Portuguese desserts, Leite Creme Queimado, also known as Portuguese-style creme brulee. Creamy, silky, and topped with a crackling caramelized sugar layer. It's the perfect sweet ending to any meal. Leite Creme Queimado. 1 liter of milk, 100 grams of flour, 300 grams of sugar, 6 egg yolks, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 lemon peel, sugar for caramelizing. In a pot, combine the flour and sugar, mix well, add the cinnamon stick, lemon peel, milk, and beaten egg yolks. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until it starts to boil. Remove the cinnamon stick and lemon peel. Pour the cream into a serving dish and let it cool. Once cool, sprinkle the surface with sugar and caramelize it with a torch or metal spoon. And that's it! Silky smooth Leite Creme Queimado, a dessert that's sure to impress and delight. Thanks for joining Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen, and we'll see you next time for more delicious traditions. Faça e coma!